There are 6 steps that you can take to succeed with Builderall. Step number 1, you gotta sign up for the 7-day free trial. Step number 2, get familiar with all the information on the website and the platform so you know exactly what kind of business Builderall is. Step number 3, decide which business route you will take with Builderall. You can promote the business or you can build websites, phone apps. You can do both. Step number 4, take the training. We are going to help you succeed with Builderall. We've been doing this for a while. Step number 5 is take action. Apply what you learn in the training. Apply everything that you learn so you get the proper results. And step number 6, share your success. When you share your success, you will get even more people. They will sign up under you just because you show them a proof that this company works. As long as you know all the options that Builderall provides, all the services, you will know for sure how much money you will make with this company. So right now, what's left to you is to just click the link or the button below where you can go to the platform Builderall, sign up, and then I'm going to be sending you the training information. I'm going to be sending you emails on a daily basis until you start doing everything on your own. We are going to take care of you. You need this, so we're definitely going to help you out. I'm going to guide you through. I'm going to provide you with all the resources that you need in order for you to start making money.